everyone. So today we are going to have an operational meeting, and the meeting agenda is we are going to first discuss as the one in the Taman Sari WhatsApp group. So the first that we are going to discuss is about the kitchen team. Discuss Jessica. Hello, Jessica.
Good evening, Saido.
So for the salary of the kitchen team, do you already have the list?
The list.
Yeah, the list of people and your team and what is the salary and how do you want to do your kitchen team?
Currently, the chef will resign on the 27th.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no chef. There's no chef.
So you say you wanted to do a volunteer list, right? For the
Yeah,
cook.
we are still finding.
Yes, but does Diana want to help in that area so she
Yeah,
can?
she's always helping.
No, I mean, does she want to be in charge of the volunteer list?
Oh, we are currently doing the list.
Okay. I think because Stephanie has the list of the volunteer list. I think I shared before, or maybe I can check again. There's the list that you can contact all the volunteers.
Yeah, I already contacted a few. So for Saido's Uaganyas retreat, there will be a volunteer chef.
Okay, sadu.
But we don't have a volunteer team yet for Lebaran holiday.
Okay, if really don't have, then I think Tessana from Chibodas can go there first.
No, I think Tasana is busy. I already
No,
asked.
I asked her. She said she can come to
Okay.
Jakarta. She
Okay.
can come. She was going to go to my house, so I think she can go to Taman Sari instead.
Okay. For 1st until 7th?
I don't know. I will check again. 1st until 7th. 1st April to 7 April, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will put Tessana, and then after that, do you have anyone?
No, you're still finding.
Oh,
You're
so
still
how about
contacting the chef.
Gilang? How about Gilang and Tessana's child?
Who's Gilang?
Galang ya.
Galang?
Yeah.
Yeah, he will still be there, but he's not the chef. He's just a helper.
How about Tessana's son?
Who is Tasana's son?
Sorry. The teteh son, the current cook punya son.
Yeah, he will leave on the 27th.
Oh, I see. Why?
No reason. He has other work.
Okay. So how about Cidiana? She said that there's somebody who wants to interview from Lampung or something. A chef.
You're still asking.
Okay. Okay, we'll find everybody please help to find chef. So we will talk we will bring this topic up again on Friday for the chef. So in case anyone know any chef can recommend to us. How about the arrangement of the team, the food, everything is all going well in Taman Sari for the kitchen part?
Mm, yeah, so far we are not short of food storage and food. So as I have posted in the group, we have plenty of dry food and vegetable in the kitchen. So many people have dana for food
Oh, sadu.
physically. And then Tidiana has also greatly helped in the kitchen to organize. So we know exactly how much stock we have. But I
Oh,
think
sadu.
currently there's a few people buying kitchen kitchen needs. So I'm just concerned if we should there should be only one person buying everything, or there can be a few people buying kitchen produce.
It is up to you. If more people can help you, then you can coordinate with more people. Then if not, it's up to you. Maybe you can arrange. How about the Dana? Is the Dana going into Hadayawatu account?
Who?
When people Dana the food, is the Dana coming into Hadayawatu's account?
Yeah, exactly. For that, I am not sure. So I cannot control the food dana fund and the kitchen fund. So there's no way I can track. But currently, I just reimburse with Yana, or else we have a group that has that likes to do
Food Dana.
clean dana, yeah, food dana, and there's also separate donors. So yeah, it's a combination.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you suggest? Do you think we should have a separate bank account for, especially for food Dana?
Yeah, I recommend that.
Yeah, okay. So we'll bring that topic up on Friday.
And also,
Uh,
I think if Hafe is currently, I cannot check also how much is the kitchen spending. Maksudnya not only salary wise, salary and yeah, budget for food. So
Actually, that's why in the group I suggested to Ko Agus that we have a lot of separate accounts
yeah,
so people can manage. Om Wirya, what do you think? Mama ngerti nggak saya ngomong apa? Ko Charles sama Ko Chris ngerti nggak kita lagi ngomongin apa? Perlu ditranslate ke bahasa Indonesia nggak?
Nggak usah, Lin, nggak usah.
Okay. What do you think, Om?
Iya,
Because
my,
you know,
my
you saw on the WhatsApp, Ko Agus said that he wants to have one account, but the one that he say, but so for easy for donors, I think, but it's going to be difficult for us to track.
yeah, actually, by having my personal opinion, then we have been discussing about this issue last time.
Yes.
If we have in a better the administration, if we have less account number in the organization, because we can control. So, but the case is now is really yeah, we cannot avoid that. So that's why we have to clarify actually who will handle the account of Hadayawatu. Yeah.
Okay. So currently the account now is Lucy is the one who holds the key BCA and she is the one who authorized and she's the one who reimbursed. But she doesn't because she doesn't have time to do all the checking. I'm actually asking Lucy. Lucy is she used to meditate in Taman Sari and actually she is now working for me. So I'm actually asking for Lucy's help, but she said this week she is busy with a lot of work. So I asked her to try first. Maybe next week she can try because I want her to update. Because I saw the bank statement. Maybe I can share in the group later. When Shadow needed the bank statement for Taiwan visa, so actually there's like 64 pages and there's a lot of people. It's mostly credit than debit. So debit is actually quite easy to track, but the credit is the one that we need to separate for which dana is for which.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know. So I don't know if actually it will be easier. Hello, I'm having a meeting. How about it? Apa? Lian, please, I'm having a meeting, seriously. apa? So because we don't have so many people and we are not professional like yet, like Narada School. So I thought if let's say there's a separate account, it will be better in a way so the kitchen can track their own kitchen account. So so it's like for one token, actually, like say for the secretary, for me or Yana can hold the key. For one token, it can have a lot of accounts. So let's say one BCA token can have maybe 4 accounts. So one account is for food, one account is for construction, one account is for general fund, and one account is for requisite. And so we can track. And then Jessica will hold like let's say one key BCA, especially for the kitchen. So she can track the in and out of the kitchen. And when people dana, that is strictly for the kitchen. So we know that we don't touch that dana. That's only for food dana, whatever food, for event food or for kitchen food, for retreat food. So, or what do you think? Or should we have like 1 or 2 accounts and then we separate it ourselves? Jess,
Yeah. I think yeah we know that that it will be good for our side, but for the
donor
people,
side.
yeah, for the people outside there, it's a bit strange because why? Yeah, it will be much easier for them if they remember one account, and
Okay.
then it's up to us. But again, each organization is different, and then the situation that we have not currently is quite unique. So if that the case, I think yeah, if for the short time, I think if while when we are trying to re-practice a good procedure, I think yeah we can try, but yeah it will be arising a lot of question, I
Okay.
think. Yeah.
Okay, so actually it's no problem if we only have one account.
Mhm.
So hopefully we will get somebody soon who can help with the tracking of the data. I'm also actually asking also Jordi to help to maybe think of a better way. So maybe when Jordi has time or when Jordi is happier, Jordi will help.
So Irene, can I ask that the account now is we can open the account and check the account easily now, different situation with before.
Yes, now that's so one of the issue that I will bring up in the on Friday meeting
Mhm.
is about the laptop and also the token, because Celia is holding on to one laptop and the token. I think
Okay.
it will be good if she return it to Yana.
Mhm.
Yana ada nomor telepon Celia gak?
Ada, Cik.
Yana bisa tolong coba hubungin Celia nggak, bilang apa, minta tolong balikin balikin ini HV punya laptop sama token karena mau dipakai gitu. Sekretariat Yana mau ngecek ini mau ngecek kayak kemarin mau ngecek mau minta Shadow Ukun punya mau minta bank statement, apa mau ngecek siapa yang dana masuk, ada yang mau konfirmasi donator mau dana gitu. Kalau Lucy kan nggak bisa, jadi maksudnya kita minta balik biar sekretariat yang di TS yang pegang gitu.
Jadi pegang Celia ya,
Iya, bisa minta tolong nggak Yana?
dan Lucy
Sorry?
belum diserah terima ke Lucy ya, atau
Belum. Saya ngomong bahasa Inggris aja biar Shadow Kun sekalian denger ya. So, when I asked Lucy where's all the bank statement and everything, she say, kan I told you that it might be in the laptop, right? In the Hadewatu laptop. But when I asked you to check, it's not in your laptop. So I think there's another laptop for finance that Celia was using. And the key BCA, she also has one, but she cannot authorize, but she can check. She can print everything. So I think there's no point for her now to have the laptop and the key BCA. So we want it to return it to Taman Sari so that Yana can check and use the laptop and also the key BCA. Bisa nggak Yana? Hah?
Pihak keuangan yang minta seperti Celia.
Apa Yana nggak kedengeran?
Finance yang minta langsung seperti Celia.
Sorry?
Itu harusnya Rin ya. Yana nggak bisa gitu. Harusnya tuh Wirya kan udah di ini. Wirya apa siapa gitu yang minta.
Yang bisa kok Charles. Sebenarnya kok Charles yang bisa.
Oh, nanti Yana tanyain aja gitu ya.
Ya, Yana tolong
Iya.
tanyain aja karena soalnya saya punya handphone di blok sama Celia. Jadi saya nggak bisa nanya.
Yana ask Celia first the laptop of the accounting of Hadayatu with Celia. If you have, we need it like that. We need to take it back.
Ya, maksudnya bilang Cicelia kemarin kita mau katanya Cilusi laptop sama token ada sama Cicelia ya gitu. Karena sekretariat perlu buat ngecek dana masuk, ada yang mau konfirmasi kalau dana masuk Cilusi nggak bisa ngecek, katanya tokennya kalau mau ngecek tokennya ada sama Celia gitu. Ya, dan ini mau dikonsolidasi biar semuanya taruh di Taman Sari gitu.
Ya, saya kira bisa dicoba lah, Airin.
Ya, coba ya, Yana ya.
Nggak perlu penjelasan yang panjang-panjang. Toh itu kan memang propertinya dari Taman Sari ya.
Ya.
Just request to her that we need all the properties to the current operation in Taman Sari. We do appreciate if you can send it back or we can collect from you.
Ya, I can go pick it up kok. I
Ya.
can
Itu
go pick it up.
benerin Pak Wirya ngomong gitu bener. Emang kita udah berhak ya.
Yeah,
Iya.
if something happen, I think in terms of the token, we can talk to BCA.
Iya.
Yeah, saying that we lost that one, and then we will not.
Request a new one.
Yeah, we request.
Okay.
Iya.
Yeah,
Iya, benar.
just make it simple, including the laptop. Yeah.
Okay, Yana, please try ya. Thank you. Okay, jadi
Or Charles, maybe Charles, if you also can help us. Yeah, we help you. We help the S and we help all the team. I think Charles also can, if you still have the network, the connection with Celia. I think if Charles giving the token to her, I think it will be appropriate if Charles can help us as well to collect the token. Yeah, why don't
Okay.
you, Charles?
ya, thank you. Terus So currently Shadow, who is going to be the building permit the person in charge of doing the building permit?
Sorry,
Ya.
Wirya itu laptop itu ada di rumah saya karena waktu itu dipakai untuk ini, untuk kita, untuk visa. Jadi ntar saya balikin.
Oh, laptopnya ada di rumah Coach Charles. Kalau
Ah,
KBCA ada di
right.
mana
Tapi
kok?
token nggak ada.
Okay, keep it simple. Keep it simple.
Oke,
For the
thank you kok.
Oke,
Jadi tokennya aja tolong minta Mas Celia ya.
iya token aja.
Okay,
Okay,
so next
thank
one
you.
is about the building permit. Because of the Indonesia situation, we need the building permit properly before we can build more buildings, more construction in Taman Sari. Kok Chris, yang belum ada building permit yang mana aja ya Kok Chris sama Kok Charles?
Ya, Irene.
Yang belum ada building permit yang mana aja?
Ya, area baru, area 1,1 hektar yang dari Sumadi Willy, Cetia, Kuti Deret sama Kuti Kayu.
Kalau semuanya ya udah, yang lain udah semua.
Kita punya IMB itu di area yang sekarang itu apa? Sima Pagoda,
Terus,
dining hall semua.
terus
Atau dibalik kali Airin, yang mana yang sudah ada itu aja, yang belum ada nggak usah disebutin, yang ada dulu aja, Mbak.
iya yang udah ada ini kan Sima Pagoda, dining hall, terus apa lagi kok?
Iya, di satu area itu di bagian atas, jadi 2 sertifikat. Jadi Charles lebih tahu itu.
Kok Charles tolong jelasin dong. Jadi yang udah ada IMB yang mana?
Halo,
Ya kok malam.
malam. Jadi ini kita apa yang waktu itu kan kita sudah minta IMB, tapi itu belum full. Jadi seperti yang saya tahu itu Putih Sedauji itu belum 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 ada IMB karena itu bangunan yang menyusul baru. Demikian juga dengan Sima. Sima saya lupa. Sima apa udah termasuk nggak? Tapi intinya ini kali ini lagi diminta secara keseluruhan. Ya, demikian ya.
Enggak, saya jadi yang belum itu Shadow Jikuti. Tadi kan saya tanya yang mana yang udah gitu yang kok Chris kan bilang Shima Pagoda, dining hall. Dining hall berarti kalau Biku Kuti semua udah ya?
Halo,
Halo
enggak
kok
itu intinya yang ada di tanah ex dokter, tanah yang didanakan oleh Sumardi dan Willy itu belum ada IMB sama sekali. Yang udah ada IMB itu di sebagian yang di bawah, yang di tanah dulu yang Pak kita beli pertama kali. Ya, jadi untuk tepatnya yang mana ya saya juga lupa.
ya ini penting kok. Jadi maksudnya jangan kira-kira tapi kita butuh tahu pastinya yang mana yang ada, yang mana yang belum biar bisa diurusin.
Iya, justru ini dari yang yang IMB yang kita minta urus, dia lagi akan menyusul apa yang dia hitung, yang dia tahu, karena dia punya datanya. Jadi dia dia akan kasih semua datanya.
Namanya siapa?
Ya Pak Pak, maaf, Chris, itu Pak siapa lupa. Pak, Duh. Nah,
Tadi ya, tadi
yang tadi
coba aja, coba aja.
Pak Dandi, yang orang PUPR.
bukan yang ngurusnya Pak siapa?
Pak Jaja, Pak Jaja.
Pak Jaja. Ya, jadi nanti Pak Jaja akan menyusul kasih semua yang diperlukan untuk IMB yang secara keseluruhan semua. Karena prosesnya kita mau semua secara keseluruhan.
Oke. Terus itu
So, Irene,
ya kok
ya,
ya.
sorry. Saya kira kenapa nggak begini? Ini saya kira kan juga Charles mungkin dan Chris juga supaya lebih tenang, bisa lebih clear. Why don't Charles and Chris make a list? Yeah, what building, which area, in each area, what building we have in each area, and then which area that we already got the permit from the government, and which area we got the permit for the building, for each building, because what, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong. The best thing I know, the government may issue a principal permit for one area, big area, for what purpose? For instance, for Hadaiwatu to make a meditation center. That's a principal permit issue for one big area. But for each building that we want to build in each area, in each certificate, we have to get one permit. So why we have to make it complicated? Instead, we make a list in which area we say that in Hadaiwatu, in Taman Sari, we have 10 certificate, say. 10 certificate. In the first certificate, what building we have, and then how is the status of the certificate itself, and how is the permit of the each building itself. I think it will be much clearer, Irene. Don't you think so?
May I talk?
Jadi maksudnya Yana tolong bantuin, itu kan sertifikatnya kan yang kamu ada di Taman Sari, itu ada tulisan yang IMB apa yang nggak IMB,
Nggak.
tolong.
Irene,
Mana?
boleh saya jelaskan?
Ya.
Kita udah punya IMB untuk yang 2 sertifikat. Itu area di yang sekarang ada bangunan nih dari kuti kayu 2 lantai sampai Sima Pagoda. Itu 2 sertifikat.
Kok Chris, soalnya kan saya ini kalau misalnya kata-katanya kuti kayu 2 lantai sampai Sima Pagoda,
Bukan.
itu kan pengertian kok Chris sama pengertian saya mungkin beda, nih.
Ya, maksudnya gini, yang
Apa?
sekarang ada bangunan
Iya.
itu udah ada IMB awal,
Oke.
dan kita akan mengajukan revisi untuk bangunan yang waktu itu belum ada di
Apa?
IMB awal.
Yang mana tuh yang belum ada berarti?
Nah, itu nanti kita cek dari kayaknya Kuti Sedauji ya. Terus tapi kita revisi itu sekalian global. Jadi area Pak Dokter itu belum ada sertifikat belum ada IMB. Kita sekarang lagi dalam proses mau balik nama, terus revisi IMB, jadi bukan bikin IMB baru ya.
Oke.
Jadi revisi IMB itu termasuk bangunan yang belum ada di IMB awal,
Oke.
ditambah dengan area Pak Dokter, dan nanti sekaligus yang 2 sertifikat lagi yang di bawah, yang di area meditasi bawah, itu kan yang mau dibikin Buddha Hall. Jadi nanti satu kesatuan IMB. Jadi kita
Oke.
tidak membuat IMB baru, revisi namanya.
Oke. Nah, itu kemarin yang kasih kwitansi itu berarti si Pak Jajah.
Iya,
Nah, itu dia berarti kasih kwitansinya kan pakai kertas begitu. Itu kan harusnya ada yang resmi ke pemerintahan kan?
nah,
Yang orang
itu
PUPS
Pak
ke
Jaja itu jadi seperti agent lah yang bantu kita untuk ngurusin semua.
Ya, tapi saya butuh kwitansi aslinya.
Iya, itu nanti dikasih.
Oh,
Cuman
oke.
jadi maksudnya ini kita dalam rencana Charles itu kita mau revisi IMB awal.
Oke.
IMB awal itu berarti kan ada bangunan yang belum termasuk, nanti dimasukin sekaligus dengan area baru, area Pak Dokter, sama
Oke.
area yang meditasi bawah. Kita rencana ada Buddha Hall mungkin juga ada kuti-kuti, kita masukin dulu planningnya.
Oke. Itu kira-kira berapa lama ya?
Ya, sekarang ini kita hari ini jadi yang area Pak Dokter itu baru PPJB.
PPJB apa tuh, Cin?
Apa?
Pengikatan jual beli.
Oh,
Iya, jadi belum akte jual beli. Jadi sekarang lagi diurus ke notaris untuk akte jual beli. Nah, baru bisa balik nama ke Yayasan Hadewatu. Setelah balik AJB keluar itu baru masuk ke yang bagian IMB. Jadi kita dari situ baru tahu harganya gitu loh.
oke.
Jadi maksudnya kita yang jelas kita ini punya IMB dan kita tinggal revisi. Jadi tidak ada yang perlu dikhawatirkan kalau soal itu.
Enggak, tapi kalau IMB-nya nggak sesuai dengan gedung kita, itu juga bisa masalah kan kok.
Itu makanya kita revisi.
Iya, makanya. Tapi kan revisi ini kan perlu waktu lumayan ini maksudnya. Jadi kita sementara berarti nggak bisa bangun dulu dong.
Ya sama ini, ya kita bisa.
Bukan selama ini kok, karena sekarang lagi banyak isu-isu dan lagi banyak yang dibongkar-bongkarin.
Iya, yang penting kita udah punya IMB awal itu.
Oh,
Sorry, Chris, dalam bentuk apa, Chris? Kamu bicara sudah ada bentuk awal, kertasnya dalam bentuk apa sertifikatnya?
Maksudnya?
Ya kalau ada government officer datang ke Taman Sari, mereka ingin checking.
Ya, IMB kita punya, itu aja kan
Enggak,
masih
sudah
ada
ada
di
ya.
pos.
Sudah ada ya, enggak?
Ada.
Sudah diserahkan, enggak? Bisa kita lihat nggak nanti? Maksudnya saya dulu sudah diserahkan ke saya dau ya.
ya maksudnya tolong fotoin nanti share ke grup gitu.
Enggak,
Iya,
jangan.
nanti.
Ya, I don't know ya. Itu apakah di-share ke grup besar atau
Ya, share ke grup yang operasional kita aja.
Oh, oke. Ya, jadi saya kira itu yang penting. Sebelum kita bicara apa yang mau direvisi, nanti biayanya berapa, maka saya pikir Chris akan sangat membantu dengan Charles kalau bisa memproduksi satu paper, satu kertas. If you produce one paper, you make a list, a number of the certificate.
Halo, boleh saya bicara?
Nggak, tunggu dulu. Let me finish ya.
Enggak, ini berkaitan sama yang apa yang Pak Wirya mau bicarakan.
Ya, saya belum bicara. Kalau boleh, saya ngomong dulu. Nanti Charles bisa melengkapi
Oke.
pembicaraan saya, gitu.
Oke.
Ya, jadi seperti kita bikin Excel simple. Nomor 1, kita punya sertifikat number sekian, luas sekian, atas nama siapa. Nomor 2, di atas tanah sertifikat itu, di sampingnya didirikan bangunan apa? What kind of building we have on that certificate land? We put the status of we put the title of the building, and then how is the status of the building, the permit.
Sorry Om, Yana, tolong catat kan kalau Charles lagi di sana nanti kamu bisa bantuin ya dengan formatnya gitu. Jadi semuanya step by step semuanya clear gitu ya Yana.
Ya, jadi everyone can read easily. Ya, every of us can understand clearly. Right? Instead, you are mentioning this part, this building, this part, this building. For me, I cannot imagine which part are you talking about. Okay, Charles, that's it from me.
Jadi gini, ini kebetulan juga yang kita minta untuk Pak Jaja ini untuk ngurus, kebetulan juga timnya itu termasuk yang dulu urus IMB. Jadi yang IMB yang pertama yang waktu itu sudah ada, dan dia sendiri bilang saya udah tahu ini tinggal ini, yang tinggal yang kurang apa ini, makanya dia akan bikin listnya semua. Nah, di luar itu ini yang apa istilahnya, jadi nanti dia sekarang ini harus tanah itu semua atas nama Yayasan Hadewatu dulu. Jadi setelah semuanya oke, satu, akhirnya baru semuanya secara global semua itu diterbitin IMB-nya. Gitu ya. Maaf
Iya,
ya.
kita ngerti kok maksudnya. Tetap tolong
Ya
di
justru
list. Jadi, iya
sorry.
saya ngerti. Nah itu
Ya,
kalau misalnya si
nanti
Pak Jaja
dia
yang
kasih
lakukan,
listnya
itu kapan?
masalahnya. Dia yang
Oke,
kasih
jadi
listnya.
listnya kapan Pak Jaja bisa keluarkan?
Setelah proses untuk balik nama udah beres.
Enggak,
Sekarang
jangan. Karena proses itu lama. Jadi kita perlu listnya sekarang.
Enggak, kita usahakan, Pak Jaja usahakan sebelum tanggal 14.
Itu yang kemarin dikerjakan ya, Chris ya maksudnya.
Jadi itu nanti keluar listnya dari IMB yang awal, yang belum termasuk gedung apa. Jadi itu berapa kita mesti bayar. Nah, itu supaya lebih cepat kita prosesnya tuh bukannya kayak Tanah Pak Dokter tuh bikin IMB baru.
Nggak,
Jadi
Chris, kok
ya,
orang luar bisa lebih tahu dari kalian yang ada di sana?
ini
How-
orang bagian IMB, bagian
Agent, Om,
Betul,
agent.
nggak betul. Tapi kita ini kalau saya punya rumah, if I buy house, I buy land, I know better than other people. I know which land I buy, I pay, and belong to me. And then which part of my home, which part of my land, I don't have any permit yet. I supposed to be the one who know, not my sales agent, not Ray White, not other agent. So my question is, we know, right, which part of land we buy. So we know certainly how many pieces of certificate we have now. So why don't we make a summary, yeah, how many pieces of certificate we have of the land, and then on the land, what building we have now, and then which building not having permit yet. I think it's clear. It's simple. No, I don't think that other people can explain it.
Sekarang gini ya, sorry, boleh saya bicara?
Boleh. Silakan kok.
Jadi lagi tahap pertama itu kan kita tanah yang atas nama Jokam Dani dari empat sertifikat itu kita pakainya hanya 2 sertifikat karena waktu itu dengan pemikiran itu pakai 2 dulu supaya jangan lebih dari 5 hektar karena kalau 5 hektar itu harus ke provinsi dalam hal ini ke Bandung. Jadi, nah saya sendiri aja saya lupa. Jadi, nah ini kebetulan orang PUPR isi orang yang bagian IMB yang tanganin kemarin yang ini dan dia justru yang pegang datanya semua. Jadi dia akan semua bikinin yang adanya apa dan kekurangannya apa, berapa duit isinya dia ajukan gitu.
Berdasarkan
Jadi
data di PUPR.
di
Jadi
PUPR di bagian PUPR itu bagian IMB tata bangunan. Jadi dia lihat data semuanya yang ada, yang kurangnya apa. Jadi dia buat listnya. Jadi gitu maksudnya.
jadi bukannya agent, bukannya sales, ini orang perizinan yang pegang datanya di kantor.
Iya ngerti kok. Tapi maksudnya si Kowirya itu adalah ya seharusnya kita punya data sendiri juga. Sebenarnya itu bagus. Kenapa? Biar kita bisa cross check mereka yang datanya benar apa enggak, atau mereka ada yang kelebihan atau kekurangan, karena mereka juga nggak selalu 100% benar kan. Kalau kita punya data sendiri, kita juga bisa cross check gitu loh. Jadi kita misalnya nggak kekurangan bayar atau nggak kelebihan bayar gitu. Oke, anyways, nggak apa-apa. Koko lupa. Ya udah. Jadi sekarang prosesnya adalah tolong secepatnya. Berarti IMB yang sekarang itu udah ada di tangan kita kan? Yang currently yang udah ada IMB itu berarti udah dipegang sama Yana dong datanya.
Irene, saya kira supaya
Ya.
kalau kamu potong itu jadi parsial. Dibuat aja piece of paper dari summary ini, kemudian itu termasuk nanti di bawahnya ada note. Dokumen apa saja yang sudah kita miliki sehingga kita sampai saat ini berani membangun begitu banyak building di atas tanah itu, ya kan?
Iya.
Kita kan berani membangun karena kita yakin ini kan tanah kita gitu, tanah Hadayawatu. Nah, jadi kan ada dibikin list gitu ya. Sertifikatnya ada berapa sertifikat sih yang sudah dimiliki oleh Hadayawatu? Kemudian ada berapa building sih yang ada sudah kita bangun gitu kan? Lalu surat-surat apa saja sih yang kita punya gitu loh. Nanti begitu si Pak Jaja balik ke kita membuat satu proposal, itu jadi kita bisa using our
Cross check.
we are cross checking the document we have in hand currently versus the document provided by the
Pak Jaja.
government, by Pak Jaja.
By government.
Yeah, it's up to you. Yeah, by government. So we already spent our money, right? We already spent the people money to buy the land, to building the any facility there. We are using all those donors dana. We have to take responsible on that. Yeah, while
Okay.
we are still alive.
Oke, thank you Om. Yana, kamu ngerti nggak Yana yang tadi kita lagi bahas?
Ya, Cik, nanti.
Ya, tolong ini ya, tolong lihat dokumennya dan cross check. Kalau nggak ngerti tanya Ko Charles sama Ko Chris, kan Ko Charles ada di sana. Jadi kamu tahu kronologisnya dan juga kita bisa cross check yang tadi seperti si Om Wirya ngomong, setiap sertifikat ada building apa, udah apa yang kurang gitu ya. Thank you Yana.
Ya, seperti itu.
Oke, so ini jadi sementara kita tunggu listnya dulu yang akan dibuat sama Yana dan Ko Charles dan Ko Chris. Next, jadi kita akan nanti cari tahu, tunggu kabar. Berarti yang how much money needed to change name and do permit itu kita nanti tunggu proposal dari Pak Jaja ya.
Iya,
Oke. Berarti next Waisak tanggal 18 Mei itu PIC-nya Ko Agus ya? Apa Cisukwan ya? Cisukwan kapan keluar dari retreat ya, Mah?
Kalau nggak salah dia bilang akhir bulan.
Akhir bulan. Oh, oke.
Itu serahkan ke Agus aja, Rin.
Kota Nagus itu acara Waisak, Ko Agus bisa handle gak? Ko Agus. Ya udah sementara acara Waisak PIC-nya Ko Agus ya. Mah, tolong ini dong apa kasih list kan yang lebih tahu list Bante itu mungkin Mama, Jessica sama Yana atau sama Shadow ya. Yang ada di PAO kan Shadow Ukun mau undang seluruh PAO Indonesia punya Bante sama yang kemarin udah ada beberapa nama kan yang dari STI. Template-nya udah ada di Yana, jadi kita sekarang perlu list down ada berapa banyak Bante dari soalnya kan Bante Kondanya tanggal tanggal 18 itu udah mulai rencananya mau ada retret di Bali. Jadi kalau kita bisa undang cepet-cepet maksudnya, jadi mungkin Bante apa bisa bisa postpone gitu tanggal 19 baru retret atau gimana gitu loh. Sorry, Shadow, sorry. Apa? Ya, jadinya kita perlu list Bante biar bisa kirim undangan untuk 18 Mei.
Iya,
Yang
Bante Kondana kasih dulu aja, Rin.
iya, tapi udah yakin kan 18 Mei Ko Agus PIC-nya. Terus abis itu Yeni bisa bikinin apa posternya ya buat 18 Mei.
Ya, nanti nanti aku bikin poster.
Rin, biasanya kan si Lucy punya itu, Coach Sayadi.
Ya nanti ya bisa aja coba, tapi nggak tahu sih kalau Cahyadi lagi sibuk atau enggak.
Yeni juga desainer
Iya,
interior.
Yeni juga nggak apa-apa ya, suruh Yeni aja. Terus sama berarti nanti se- kita tunggu kok arahan Ko Agus ya untuk Waisak Mei ini, Mei tanggal 18. Terus berarti next kita mau discuss ini tim operational structure kan sekarang kalau sekarang kan kita doang nih. Kalau misalnya kitchen kan udah pasti Jessica sama Cidayana. Jadi maksudnya Jessica next atau nanti nih Cidayana biar ikut meeting juga dan masukin di grup juga gitu. Kalau tim sekretariat sementara Airin, Yana, sama Zia. Terus Cisukwan ya Cisukwan bisa jadi ini ya event atau apa sih, saya juga nggak. Jadi maunya gimana nih, tim ini operational team structure-nya masih belum fix.
Itu keuangannya siapa, Rin?
Keuangan ya sementara sih saya yang koordinasi, nggak ada orang yang buat pembukuan. Saya lagi minta tolong Lucy, dia mau bantuin apa enggak gitu. Jadi saya bisa sekalian pantau gitu. Karena belum ada orang yang bisa di-hire dan CMI kan nggak mau, kata Kok Agus. Nggak mau
Itu
bantuin.
kalau nggak
Mungkin
salah yang orang Lampung itu mau.
Si
Mary
Mimi tuh
Bukan
lagi,
di
Mimi lagi.
bukan Koming.
Kongming itu pembukuan mah, dia accounting, dia bukannya yang kerja di HV, dia cuman bantuin pajak.
Mary bisa dilibatkan, Rin.
Rin.
Apa? Si Mary mau suruh di sana untuk jadi pembukuan.
Bukan, dia selama ini juga dia bisa bantu. Dia selama ini kan bantu apa dapur dari awal kan.
Iya kok Chris, sekarang tim dapur itu Jessica yang handle kepalanya. Jadi kalau untuk urusan dapur terserah Jessica punya tim maunya
Ya,
siapa. Jadi kalau
pembukuan juga dia
misalnya,
bisa kayaknya.
ya kalau misalnya nanti tim keuangan, nanti baru saya discuss lagi. Kalau misalnya itu harus yang pembukuan, yang keuangan yang dia ngecekin setiap hari dan bikin laporan gitu loh. Oke, thank you. Nah, tadi kita udah bahas ya tentang yang 27 Maret nggak ada kitchen staff, nggak ada cook, nggak ada yang tukang masak di Lebaran. Nanti tanyain Teh Sana atau siapa yang bisa bantu masak. Mama bisa tolong tanya-tanyain
Iya,
juga nggak siapa yang bisa bantu masak?
Airin sore
Ya.
tadi Ci Ifung tuh telepon ada temennya yang mau kerja kali. Bisa kontak ke Ci Ifung juga itu. Benar apa kepastiannya.
Kok Charles bisa tolong, Kok Chris bisa tolong kasih tahu Jessica nggak nomornya?
Bisa.
Thank you.
By the way, kamu tadi bilang kamu pantau rekening.
Saya bukannya pantau rekening, jadi kalau misalnya ya berapa kali ini ya saya cuma minta rekening doang. Kalau kamu mau January December, January, February, saya ada rekeningnya kalau kamu mau. Saya ada e-statementnya kalau kamu mau.
Ya, maksudnya kan tiap minggu kan sekarang ada pengeluaran. Dan
Ya. Itu
yang
listnya dari siapa?
Hah?
Itu listnya dari siapa pengeluaran?
Enggak, maksudnya pengeluaran kebutuhan dapur kan. Itu
Ya,
tuh udah pasti keluar tiap minggu kan.
ya.
Ya bukan tiap minggu, harusnya tiap hari. Cuman sifatnya kan bulk kan gitu kan.
Heeh.
Maksud saya kalau saya nggak tahu di kas saya ada berapa, atau maksudnya orang masukinnya berapa, bisa orang tiba-tiba masukin 50 juta misalnya kan. Ada aja
Hmm.
misalnya. Atau mungkin sisanya yang sebenarnya yang orang dana misalnya cuma 5 juta misalnya. Jadi saya mana tahu saya over budget atau enggak gitu. Sebagai dapur yang selalu keluarin duit gitu maksudnya.
Iya, sementara saat ini ya begitu kondisinya, kecuali udah ada orang yang rekap setiap hari.
Ya maksudnya menurut saya kalau buat pembangunan masih bisa di-delay. Tapi menurut saya kalau pembangunan sudah kok kris sifatnya setelah Lebaran udah emang bener per misalnya akhir April udah ada tukang, itu tuh beli bahan tuh itu tuh sifatnya tuh tiap hari. Gimana cara eh tracknya gitu loh. Dan makanan sifatnya juga tiap
Kalau
hari.
kalau pembangunan itu Sangha Affair, Sangha Committee udah take over.
Ya,
Jadi Sangha Committee will discuss with Komul sama Kokris sama Om Wirya.
Tahu,
sama
saya cuma
Kojahi?
bilang bukan masalah timanya, maksud saya sifat pengeluaran duitnya gitu loh.
Iya, so as soon as possible we need to find somebody.
Jadi sekarang saya assume ada aja gitu.
Iya, cuma ya ada aja. Ya, kan kita bisa orang mau donate, mau dana nggak, then if you ask them to dana, and then if they dana, then ask them to send you, so you know that they dana 10 million today.
Enggak dong, karena kan kasnya masuk ke HV dan Mildana
Iya, tapi kan
masuk.
dia kan nggak bisa kasih kamu bukti transfer, dan kamu kan bisa say thank you.
Enggak, sifatnya nggak ke saya personally, kan ke HV.
Oh, ya yang itu ya kita nggak tahu unless makanya saya lagi mintain token kan biar kita bisa rekap setiap hari. Makanya Yana lagi mau mintain token ke Celia.
Ini
Emang kita nggak-
Pak Wiryain suka kasih
Apa?
masukan Wiryanya. Pak Wirya kasih masukan gimana?
Ya Jessica kan belum selesai ngomong mah.
Ya, terus habis
Ya.
gitu kayak sifat gaji gitu. Maksudnya siapa yang tentuin? Kan terakhir yang mbaknya itu belum gajinya nggak jelas. Terus terakhir saya nanya Lucy bilang selama ini Ali gajinya 2,5. Jadi maksudnya semua ini tuh rancu dan siapa yang janjinya apa, kedepannya nggak harusnya gaji pokoknya gimana gitu loh. Dan
Iya, namanya ini
kedepannya
kamu yang
janjinya
tentuin.
gimana. Jadi maksud saya tuh menurut saya yang sekarang saat ini running itu HRD-nya tuh dan penggajiannya tuh harus jelas gitu. Karena ini sifatnya tuh orangnya tuh stay gitu loh.
Iya betul, makanya ini sekarang ya we have no way of looking back. So now let's just start new and then you can, since you're the head of the kitchen, so you can say, oh okay, hi, I'm the new head of the kitchen. I don't know whatever they have proposed to you in the past. Can you tell me what arrangement they have made with you? I will try my best to fulfill it. If not, I will just renegotiate ulang gitu if you allow me. Ya then you renegotiate and then you start everything fresh aja. Nggak,
Nggak
kalau
bisa
kita
saya yang
mikirin orang
putusin
yang
dong,
dulu-dulu,
harus keputusan HV dong.
ya kamu sudah ditunjuk sebagai kepala dapur dan kamu sudah dihormati dan di-appreciate untuk mengambil decision yang seperti itu, dan atau kamu yang bisa propose gitu, karena apalagi orang yang nggak terlibat. The best person to make a decision is the person who is involved directly. Kalau misalnya kita yang kasih saran, we don't know the situation, we don't know the people, we don't know how hard they work, or we don't know how long they have worked. We have no clue at all. So our advice would be very inaccurate actually. You can give advice because you know and you have the experience because you have been there. So you talk to them, you work with them, and then something I don't know what, and then you can propose gitu.
Tadi udah jelasin ke saya Dal.
Jordi, kamu udah jelasin ke Shadow belum? Yang tadi semua ngomong bahasa Indonesia. Oh. So Shadow, just now we were discussing about the building certificate, and Om Wirya suggests that we make a list so that we are not confused, or we know for sure which building has what certificate under which name and which certificate is done or not done. Because Pak Jaja, according to Ko Charles and Ko Chris, Pak Jaja and the government person has the list and going to make the list. But according to Wirya, we also need to have a list on our own so that we can cross-check and double-check. So I've already asked Yana for help because she has the documents now, and whatever is missing or not, and whatever question she has, she can ask Ko Charles and Ko Chris.
Irene,
Yes.
now is not the doing the building body, now the changing the name first now.
Yes, I understand.
Because 6 pieces altogether, 6 pieces. 6 pieces of land, 2 pieces of land only have the Hadeotu name. Another 4 pieces of land are not yet the Hadeotu name. So they are now trying first the change name first. Change to
Oh.
the Hadeotu name. Building permit now.
Oh, so that means the just now when Ko Chris say that there's an the building permit is only for the 2 certificate, right? Not for, so the 4 certificate don't have any building certificate, don't have building permit, right?
My understanding is so this Dhammasari already had the permission from the government to do the yoga and meditation center.
Yes.
At the time, they changed the Hadeotu name, only 2 pieces of land only. At the time, they said many the hectare at the time very expensive like that. So therefore, they made the 2 pieces of land also. The 2 pieces of land are from the Dhammasari gate to our upper Sima. Dining hall, everything are included. Another the 2 pieces.
Okay.
And also already given the building permission. No?
Okay.
This is my understanding. So
Okay.
more important is Sumadi and will offering the 2 pieces. So the 2 pieces are not yet changed to Hadeotu name and already finished all building in this land.
Yes.
So at the time, this building are very obvious for other people to see, like Ketia,
Yes.
dormitory, the 2-story building like that.
Yes.
So therefore, I need the change to name to Hadeotu and building permission. This the Sumadi and will offer the 2 pieces of land.
Yes.
They do the first.
Okay. Yeah, so just now Chris explained that they don't have to do a new permit, they just do a change in the original permit. So they want to edit the certificate from the one that they have, the 2 certificate that they already have, they want to edit to add and change the certificate.
Yeah, but not without changing it, not possible, I think.
Yes, of course. They have to change name first. But in any case, we need Yana's help to do the list, because if you say like that, it's quite subjective and we don't know which one is which shadow. So just now Ko Widya suggests we are very clear, so we have a map and then we know which land, which area, exactly what we need to do. So everybody's on the same page.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And for the kitchen, Jessica said that she doesn't know what arrangement they have made previously with the workers, but some workers are not coming back. And so I told her that she can make a decision and see and observe how they work and then make a decision and propose maybe new proposal with them, new agreement as how to do their salary and how she wants to do in the kitchen, and then she can propose or update us. And Ko Chris said that there's a lady called Chi Ifong, and then she has a friend who might want to work as a cook. So we can give the name to Jessica and see if she can arrange something. Okay, so the next one is for the baksos, the social event that we do every year during the Lebaran.
Irene,
Apa?
sorry to interrupt you.
Okay.
For Jessica business, I think why don't we help her to, as I proposed to you, you may take a look to your handphone. Yeah.
Oh.
So
right.
I think yeah, it's much better if Jessica can make a paper as well, a budget, yeah. I mean for the kitchen and then to supporting all your kitchen activities. I
Okay.
think you identify which personnel are involving now. I think there are two main person that will, two kind of person, the workers. One is the workers. You have to identify how many workers you have, and then you have to interview them. What is the current or the previous salary they have? So after that, you make a budget. Is it fit to your budget or not? And then you of course have volunteer, right, to help you on the kitchen. And then the third one is the food budget, right? Food budget, maybe you can describe into in detail into each week, week 1, week 2, week 3, and then at the end of the day, you come up with the total budget of your kitchen. So I think having that kind of figure, it will be helpful. How much money we have to prepare for TS every month, and at the end of the day, we can encourage people, the donors, to we collect the dana for foods and the kitchen. Yeah,
Okay, sadu.
yeah, I think it will be.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, I think we have to make things clear and then easier to everyone. Yeah, I think that's all, Erin, for me.
Thank you, Om. So I already sent the table to the Taman Sari operational group for Yana and Jessica. Yeah, it's a good idea. So we know actually how much is the budget. So instead of depending on how much money we have and worry whether you're over budget or not, I think a lot of people are willing to support Samana and the meditation and meditators and people in Taman Sari. So if we already know the numbers, then it's easier for us to raise fund also, Jessica.
Sorry, saya
Yeah, thank you.
tahu
Apa?
kok because you don't want kitchen.
Apa?
Etika want to talk about kitchen.
Apa nggak kedengaran?
Etika mau sedikit menanyakan.
Okay.
Actually, kitchen. I'm not some of the right and raising the global to get the reason for the big global. Let's say.
Translator, and you're not translate.
Kayak di dapur kita berasnya lagi banyak gitu. Jadi kalau mau menentukan itu enggak bisa secara proporsional karena pasti beda-beda ya.
Kayak beras di dapur itu ada kebanyakan itu donaturnya itu dari Singapura. Paham nggak sih?
So rice are low, no? Rice are low, right? Cannot be finished. So sunlight I cannot use. So how to do? Sometimes.
Especially rice.
Especially we have a lot of rice in that storeroom. The rice we can go for more than 2 months or so. Now I've done I tell them to stop. I don't get up to now because they asking me whether I do brown rice or not. I told them I don't get. we see a lot of wildlife, especially the wildlife. Wildlife is totally direct us. They never, when the light becomes, they need the wildlife. And then wildlife is all like 10 kg, 20 kg back. Then if the wildlife are not, we have a lot of wildlife. That's why on that day I talked to Thailand. Thailand, can you do something this wildlife? If we can, actually not go to talk to them of actually we can exchange something, this wildlife may be better. So we us. So I told Thailand, instead of this wildlife change much is better for us.
Translate.
Sebelumnya share tadi suaranya kedengaran.
You know here and
Suara yang dari sini bisa kedengaran ya di sisi.
Ya, yang sekarang bisa Jordi, yang tadi nggak jelas.
Yang tadi itu mulai dari mana?
Dari Yana bicara awal tadi, nggak
Oh,
apa-apa, coba aja kamu samerikan.
oke. Jadi aku coba pakai indonya lah ya. Nah, karena di sini tadi saya lihat ada informasi. Pertama itu terkait dan mungkin agak susah untuk sekarang karena sebenarnya sekarang kita lagi banyak beras gitu kan, beras ini kebanyakan datang dari Batu, ada beberapa juga dari Batu dari Singapura begitu. Jadi pengelolaan itu bakalan lebih banyak untuk kayak sayur dan sebagainya. Ini stok berasnya sangat banyak gitu. Jadi makanya uh, karena stoknya masih banyak, jadi tidak perlu beli. Jadi agak bingung nanti kalau untuk hitung pengeluaran dapur gimana. Dan, jadi kalau mau apa? Kalau mau oke sayur gitu uh, dan juga tadi sempat saya dong mungkin bahas kalau misalkan berasnya um, yang habis itu gimana kata saya beli saya bahannya lagi
Kurang kenceng Lin suaranya.
kurang kencang. Dan gimana? Kalau Ci, kalau ini suaranya jelas nggak?
Nah, ini jelas.
Oh oke. Jadi mic-nya. Ya, jadi intinya sih tadi soal pengeluaran dapur mungkin agak susah dihitung karena kayak sekarang tuh stok beras lebih banyak karena stok beras ini banyak gitu kan jadi mungkin pengeluarannya itu bakal untuk sayur aja. Dan juga ini beneran stoknya banyak gitu kan kadang sempat bingung gitu kalau saya nggak habis gimana jadi tadi uh, saya sempat ngejelasin juga mungkin mungkin bahkan kita perlu arrange gitu untuk menukarkan ya istilahnya barter sih pokoknya mengubah sih jadi kacang atau sayuran lain gitu ya. Nah, gitu sih. Ini membahas terkait yang tadi Ci Jessica ya yang soal diminta untuk hitung kayaknya. Jelas tidak ini? Atau jadi
Sekarang dari tim operation kita siapa nih yang sudah pengalaman handle kitchen?
Jessica.
Oke, ini saya kira kan bisa, I don't know ya, saya nggak familiar dengan kitchen dan jujur saja saya cuma imagine that like we are managing the catering business ya. I think yeah the Excel that I'm sharing to the group is actually is a quite simple Excel, simple list, but I think if we want to have a more appropriate budget on the kitchen, I think we are talking about we will start with how many people will be exist in Taman Sari every day, and then based on that one, I think we can assume that how much uh, uh, rice we need, and then how much other things that we we can serve as a food each day. So I think using that, I think we have to anyway we have to start with the budget first, and then eventually we can calculate then how much rice we need, and then yes, of course we can maybe we can develop a program or a communication program with outside people. Actually, what we expect if the donors want to donate something, they can easily talk to the person in charge in the kitchen what kind of food or what kind of things that we need currently. Yeah, so we can give the accurate information to the people who want to come to KS, bring the dana directly, or if they want to buy something or they want to donate the money. Yeah, so we can give the information, those information to them then. Yeah, I think we have to develop a way of how the way to communicate to the people outside from TS. Yeah.
Oke Om, nanti saya minggu depan saya kasih proposalnya Om.
Yeah, I think
Thank you.
that one it will be helpful, Jess. Yeah.
Hmm.
Since the internet suddenly broke.
Irene,
Yeah, Om.
yeah, why don't we continue?
Oh, okay. So we are done with the kitchen.
Ya.
Oke, dan baksos tanggal berapa dan PIC-nya siapa?
Oh, Yuji, Rin.
Oh, oke. Jadi itu nanti saya tanyanya di hari Jumat aja ya. Sorry Yana, bisa tolong tanyain Ko Yuji nggak kira-kira enaknya mau baksosnya tanggal berapa? Jadi nanti hari Jumat kita bisa ajukan tanggalnya dan halo.
Nanti Yana tanya Ko Yuji.
Thank you Yana. Terus ini Shadow tadi Shadow kasih lihat ini WhatsApp-nya Celia nggak, kenapa ya? So Shadow, what is the status of Wira now?
What I mean?
So Wira is your kapia, right? But she cannot help in any operation, so she just helping with
He
your
will
kapia.
not involve any operation in Taman Sari.
Okay, so Shadow just Shadow kapia like that, yeah.
So today also yesterday I order for the
10.
new Buddha tank, yeah.
Yes.
Because now this Buddha are low, very, very well petty.
Yeah.
And also many glass are glow now. So therefore I order this one. At the time we are said Kuji already order like that. Kuji just said or Sutta order Kuji say.
Okay, Sadhu. So Shadow asked about in February there's a transfer to Celia 30 million from Lucy from Hadewatu account. I already asked Lucy, and Lucy said it's the reimburse for Celia. I think it was the past purchase of her. I don't know when, but she said that all the receipts and all the invoice are all complete, but I haven't seen it yet. So maybe we need to see later when our finance team is already done. Is that okay, Shadow? Ya gitu aja ya, Kak Wirya ya, Om Wirya ya.
Another thing is what time our Buddha, the Kuti, Buddha Vihara can be used.
Can be, sorry, what, Shadow?
Buddha Vihara for this Buddha.
Oh, yeah, okay. So can we ask Cochrane's help to measure the land,
Okay. Okay.
because so on Friday then we will ask the trustee. We will also bring this topic up, because if
Don't
they,
have to discard the Friday. Sorry.
yes, okay. The Buddha and the location can Cochris, can you please take picture of the location so I can send it to the group and then we can discuss on Friday.
So Chris,
Yes, I know.
okay. You tomorrow start the measuring this for Buddha Vihara, for this Buddha. You are Buddha. You are Buddha very petty now.
Yeah, but I still revise the design first.
Okay. Tomorrow start.
Itu apa buat ininya kan kok yang Buddha yang sekarang ada di lantai itu kan, yang ada di tanah kan, bukan yang Kuti Forest loh kok, beda loh, bukannya yang Forest.
Bukan yang Buddha buat Buddha Hall.
Not the one in the forest that you show me, right, Shadow? Is this Buddha on the ground, right? It's different, right?
The place I will show the Chris. Yeah.
Yeah, but the one that you show me on WhatsApp, the Cochris design, the one with the glass.
Yeah. This design have to be added again.
Oh, but is that the same place?
No, different.
Different kan? Hah? Saya bingung.
It's in the meditation gazebo.
Yeah, no, the one that this one, the small Chaitya, the small Buddha, the Buddha that is on the ground now. Shadow wants to make the gazebo, right? The Buddha
No, no, no,
gazebo,
no.
right?
Itu temporary.
No, but he wants to make the permanent Buddha gazebo, right?
Yeah.
Iya, iya.
Like the one in like Siwali, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Ya, itu yang di mana locationnya? Kok?
Di bawah deket pohon kamper itu yang ada
Yeah.
saung-saung meditasi.
It's not the forest wihara, it's different.
Hah?
Not the forest wihara, right, Shadow? Not the forest meditation, right?
Yeah.
Different, right?
We call forest Buddha Vihara. Yeah.
Flores, Rin.
Yang
Forest.
forest Buddha
Iya.
wihara.
Ya di
Iya.
Oh,
kantor.
Okay.
Maksud saya
Because
jauh itu, Rin.
okay.
Around
Then you already have the donor from Singapore, right?
Yes.
Iya.
Yes.
Okay, so that means on Friday, we'll just say that Cochris is working on the design, and we have a donor from Singapore for the dana for the Buddha forest vihara, and then we will just ask who is going to do the construction, right?
Yes.
Okay, Sadhu, thank you, Shadow.
Mm.
Okay, so I think that's all for today's meeting. So on Friday, I will update everyone with whatever we have talked today, and also so we asked them about the date, and we also have to update on Friday for Shadow Uaganya's retreat. Warganya, Yana is going to send the invitation and also the poster for approval for Shadow Warganya, and I don't know. Okay, so Shadow Ukamsa.
Bukan saya Mei lah, Mei.
Okay, Sadhu.
Keluarganya fast.
Okay, Sadhu. Okay.
Keluarganya fast.
Okay. Thank you, Shadow. So anybody want to say anything else? No, nobody want to say anything else. Then
Something about the Sila Mamagasima, you know.
that. Oh yeah. So yeah. So Shaidu, please update on the meeting yesterday that you had with Komul and Kojon.
Yeah, I thought that Kujung, Kumu, Charas, Chris about the Sila Mamagasima, no? So I meet the supplier one to one. I meet 1-to-1. I meet. No, after that I realized men understanding a lot each other like that. So Chris also now update the current condition to Mo. Mo also don't know like that. This is a problem. So according to the Chris update, so this SEMA is around the 66.36% already finished. No, but this information don't know the move. No? There's a problem. No? So really, this 66.36 is not included the floor, ceiling frame, not yet included yet. Really, is around 70% are already finished, 70%. No? So therefore, according to the budget, no, this budget and this are not so different, not over budget. More understanding is SEMA is an over budget like that. So 1.3 billion over budget like that, he said to me. But I discussed with Chris today. At the time, information are different like that. No, so therefore I request Chris to meet with the Mo to explain this. No, so because information are each other not different like that. No, so this is a problem or this SEMA because now our Tamasari Sangha Fire Committee have to lead this SEMA construction. So therefore, we need the current update and current information, everything. No? Okay, I mean you translate.
Oke, jadi Shadow Ukun bilang tadi, kemarin ketemu sama Ko John, Ko Mul, Ko Chris, sama Ko Charles. Awalnya Ko Shadow ketemunya satu persatu, dan Shadow mengetahui bahwa ternyata banyak sekali kesalahpahaman. Jadi informasi yang Ko Chris tahu tuh Ko Mul nggak tahu. Jadi seperti yang Ko Chris jelasin sebenarnya itu udah 60% lebih, hampir ke 70% sudah selesai. Tapi Ko Mul nggak tahu itu. Nah, terus menurut Ko Mul kan Ko Chris itu Shima itu over budget 1,3 M. Shadow udah discuss sama Ko Chris itu tidak seperti itu. Jadi Shadow undang Ko Chris ketemu sama Ko Mul. Nah, setelah dijelasin mereka sudah lebih sepaham, dan jadinya sekarang Sangha Affair Committee yang take over, yang mengambil ahli untuk membawahi ini semuanya. Jadi mereka akan membantu Sangha Affair Committee untuk penyelesaian konstruksi SIMA. Oke, Shadow. So, Ko Chris and Ko Mul is going to help Sangha Affair Committee to finish the construction of SIMA, right?
Waka also. So Mo also requires that to use his contractor also. But according to Chris, is no need that to use his Mo contractor, because one group is better, like according to Indonesia, the tradition. Two groups at the time, they don't want to do each other. So Chris want to do the all Java, Central Java Waka again, like that. So
Did Ko Mul agree, Shadow?
yeah, this have to say more again, no? Because I not yet informed the more, because and more not yet me yet to explain this ugly the percentage finishing here. You can see that I share it here.
Yes.
No? Joey, you a little bit move to the other side. No, this I have many. Yeah, move to that. So altogether 65.36% are already finished.
Naikin ke atas dikit, Jody, yang di bawah nggak kelihatan tuh. Yang bagian bawah ada angka apa tuh? No. Zoom out. Oh, okay. Zoom. Okay. No. Okay.
Okay, everybody can see now.
Thank you.
And then you can see the sharing screen.
Yes.
Okay, so Swatcha is no, around the 53% Swatcha, no? Swatcha finish. So this Swatcha will be the finishing. Presentation to now everything is a this 70% are very much like that. No, So total budget is 6.9 billion only, right? So 6.9 billion is estimated. If they use finishing good quality, maybe no more than 7.5 billion, I think like that. Can you understand? Can you translate? Now this is percentage, yeah, for the finish.
Jadi I trying to send the revise, but I don't know how cannot. Something wrong with my internet.
Okay, so you translate. Budget is 6.9 billion only. Total budget is. So now only 5 billion already using now so far. 5 billion. I'm going to do more explanation. 5 billion already using. So this 5 billion is a percentage of 73 percentage, 73. 73% is a 5 billion, like that.
Okay. Shaido, are you going to talk to Komul about the worker?
What I will send to this widget. I will send to Mo. I will explain this. Waka, because Chris and Mo not yet meet yet. Pujahi, Mo and Chris, they have meeting. I don't know what time.
Oh, I thought just now you say you invite Chris to meet Mul to explain, but they haven't met, is it?
Yeah, then one to one I met, not together.
Oh, I thought after that you met all together.
No.
Okay.
They want to talk together. So what to
Oh.
shadow do cry like that, you know?
Oh, oke. Jadi ternyata tadi saya salah translate tadi. Saya kira udah ketemu, ternyata Shadow Ukun ketemunya satu persatu dan mereka nggak ketemu bareng-bareng, mereka nggak mau ketemu bareng-bareng. Jadi Kok Kris belum sempat jelasin ke Komul yang tentang budget ini. Okay. So on Friday, maybe because hopefully Komul will attend the meeting and we also invite Kok Kris to attend the meeting. And
Okay.
because there's also Kojahi, he should also attend the meeting. So maybe Kok Kris can explain why is it not over budget.
Yeah. Okay. Chris,
So then,
you have to explain now.
Sorry, Shadow.
You have to explain in the meeting. These are not over budget like that.
Yeah, I will.
okay, thank you.
I
Terus, Apa?
I already make the revision, but something wrong with my laptop cannot send the file.
Okay, it's okay. You just send the file to WhatsApp and then later Shadow, Yana or Jordi can share screen on Friday meeting. Ya kok. And also maybe after the meeting, after Chris already explained, then maybe Shadow can talk to Komul personally about the workers maybe ya.
Yeah, I already call all the workers and they will come after after Idul Fitri.
But the committee hasn't approved yet kok.
Sorry?
The committee members, the organization hasn't approved yet kok. Shadow hasn't talked to Komul yet about this, right?
Yeah, I know yet about our Tamasari Sangha is a leader, right? So now I have to investigate how the earlier day work up and kind of like at the time case say April 40 is the earliest day.
Yes, but
April 40, 1/4. This is the earliest day to come to Tamasari to work again. Before April 14, not possible, no case say like that. So
yes, Shadow, but you want to, but I don't know whether you're gonna have conflict with Komul or not.
I have to investigate though what time we can get the earliest the worker.
Oh, okay, yeah. So maybe Shadow can talk to Komul about this, so everybody will be happy.
Yeah, because we have to leave now. Otherwise, not finish this, cannot start now. Because
Okay.
we also
For the,
earliest day is April 40. We
okay.
cannot start now.
For the Buddha Vihara in the forest, for the Buddha Forest Vihara, do we need permit?
No need.
Kalau di dalam itu nggak usah kali, Rin.
Ya harus.
Nggak begitu, Rin. Kalau bangunan besar baru yang
Jadi
berat.
ini sifatnya permanen atau nggak permanen?
Ya, Paman, itu termahal itu enggak.
Itu di ranah mana? Di ranah mana?
Di belakang, dekat kuti-kuti banteh, yang di belakang lagi, di ujung, di samping, yang dekat jurang-jurang itu.
Tapi nanti buildingnya akan dimasukin kan kok buat yang pengajuan IMB, yang edit IMB kan? Yang perubahan IMB kan?
Iya, nanti itu termasuk di area yang bawah, 2 sertifikat lagi, nanti akan dimasukin ke dalam satu kesatuan semua, jadi 6 sertifikat itu satu IMB.
Oke.
Jadi tidak ada yang perlu dikhawatirkan kalau soal itu, kalau izin. Sekarang kita tuh ada izin, jadi cuman karena Cetia itu terlalu menyolok, jadi
Ya intinya kita mau semuanya izinnya secepatnya diselesaikan sebelum bangunannya semua selesai.
Halo?
Ya.
Kenapa?
Ya lebih baik kalau misalnya semua izinnya selesai sebelum bangunannya selesai.
Yep.
Itu kita sedang usahakan, Rin.
Ya, tahu.
Ya.
Thank you. Okay, anything else, Shadow, or anybody have anything to say?
So work in your camp alone, I think.
Sorry?
Work in your camp to Tamasari with a kapia, no?
Oh, with Kapia, okay.
With a kapia.
So should Yana change the invitation or no need? because the invitation only for Shadow Uaganya, no Kapia.
No, yeah.
No
So,
need, it's
so
just,
Indonesia Kapia happy lah.
oh, I don't know, Shadow, because,
Hmm.
so should we invite the Kapia as well, or?
I asked Uaganya, you will call Kapia or not? He said he will not call, he will come alone like that.
Oh, okay, then Indonesian Kapia will help then.
Yeah.
Okay, Shadow, thank you.
Yeah, teman saya also we have one Burmese Kapia, Puti can be.
Oh,
Puti.
Sadhu.
Whereas Uaganya, right, he can be maybe can be Kapia. And
Okay.
also invite Uaganya to stay more than the 10 days lah. No?
Yes, we already yeah.
Agus aja Rin, Agus Wiono, Kapia.
1 month okay, stay there 40 days lah.
Okay.
40 days.
Okay. So we should change our invitation.
Yeah. The
Okay, yeah.
Sarah can stay for 40 days lah, because free visa can get 40 days, right?
Yes. Yana, nanti kita revisi itu ya invitationnya ya. Ya, thank you.
Mau direvisi lagi.
Ya, direvisi lagi sebelum kita kirim jadinya.
Saya lawangannya.
Ya, saya ada uaganya.
Rin,
Apa mah?
itu Agus Wiono itu mau bantu kita, mau tanya dia.
Oh,
Dan
bagus,
dia respect sama Shadow Uaganya.
Ya
Dia
udah,
pasti mau
Mama
kamu,
tanya.
ya kan Arin kan ada nomor teleponnya. Nanti Arin kasih tahu bahwa Uaganya mau datang sebagai Kapia, dia gimana bantu, dia mau. Dia udah
Oke,
janji
siap.
mau bantu kita. Shadow juga
Oke.
kenal kan Agus Wiono, Bogor.
Shadow, my mom say Agus Wiono want to help
Yang Bogor.
because maybe he can be Shadow Uaganya's Kapia also.
Salut.
Keep on moving like that. We were. So maybe yes, Okay. So thank you everyone for the meeting. And we will meet again on Friday. Maybe at 8. I think should be at 8 or 8:30. Depending. I think usually is at 8 or 8:30.
Okay, sharing Mary. Idam
Okay.
nya asal kaya
Hotu.
idam mama punya wagan sarasatana wajimi desa me sama punya wagan labandu.
Sadu. Good night, Shadow.
Thank you everyone. Good night.
Thank you, Shadow.
Good night,
Good night, Shadow.
Good night. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Ko. Bye.
Since COVID because the internet here is like the Zoom also the same. Sometimes the sound stop.
This one also need to change the frequency. Here I have the two pin with 2 4 and 3 4.
This one, lecture. We begin this also for this one is at the this
Oh, thank you.